Cabinets play a pivotal role in both functionality and aesthetics. When it comes to home design, choosing the right cabinets can significantly enhance the beauty and appeal of your living space, adding elegance, organization, and a touch of sophistication that captures the eye and complements your interior style. Kitchen cabinets are central to your home's overall design. Opting for customized kitchen not only maximizes storage, but also allows you to tailor them to your preferred style. Modern minimalism or rustic face. Custom cabinets seamlessly integrate with your kitchen. Glass front cabinets add a layer of sophistication to your kitchen or dining room, displaying carefully arranged glassware, china, or decor items behind the glass panels creates an appealing focal point. This style infuses an open and airy feel, making your space feel larger. Open shelving cabinets can lend a modern and chic look. These cabinets as true doors, allowing you to showcase curated collections or books. Accessible nature of open shelves encourages you to keep things organized and visually pleasing. Floating wall cabinets are versatile and stylish options. In a living room, they can house media equipment while adding contemporary touch. In the bedroom, they provide storage without taking up floor space. Their floating appearance creates a sense of lightness and elegance. Built-in display cabinets offer a seamless blend of storage and showcase. These cabinets can be incorporated into alcove or niche, creating an artful display of your most cherished items. Lighting within these cabinets enhances the visual impact and creates an inviting ambience. Elevate your bathroom with a statement vanity cabinet. A beautifully designed vanity can set the tone for entire bathroom's aesthetics. Choose cabinets with intricate detailing, unique hardware, or a stylish color to make a bold visual statement. First impressions matter, and foyer or entryway cabinets can make a significant impact. Cabinets offer practical storage for items like shoes and bags, while also creating an organized and inviting entry space. Custom wardrobe cabinets in your bedroom can revolutionize your storage solutions while enhancing the overall aesthetics. Tailored to fit your space, these cabinets can incorporate mirror panels, decorative doors, and efficient organization system. Cabinets are not merely utilitarian. They are design elements that shape the character and aesthetics of your home. Whether it's the kitchen, living room, bedroom, or entryway, the right choice of cabinets can elevate your home's beauty and functionality. By selecting cabinets that align with your style and needs, you are investing in a design element that can truly transform your living space into a haven of elegance. Casa Custom specializes in custom cabinets that blend functionality with aesthetics. a charm and sophistication to your living spaces. Follow us and get more details.